Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see the census automation. We have already seen how can you identify the domains and subdomains using the certificate search from the website that was the GUI. Now, from your command line itself, from the terminal, you can identify the subdomains for a particular target. For that, Censys.io has an official Python library that you can install. And using the Censys Python library, we can extract subdomains for a given domain or a given target. The tool also produces the output into JSON format. So let's see the practical in which we are going to use the particular tool from our terminal and get the desirable results. So first thing is you should be logged in into Censys. So I'm currently logged in and I'll just go to my account. After I go to my account, you just have to click on API and you will get two keys. One of the key is the API key and the second key is the secret key. You need to export both the keys to your environment variables. Let me just show you how to do that. Just click on API and you will be able to get the key. As you can see over here, the API ID as well as the secret key. Just copy both these keys like this, as you can see over here, and just export them onto your terminal. So you just have to write the command that is export Censys API secret and replace the secret over here and replace the API ID over here. So I'll just copy both of them, go to the terminal and paste it. Both the things are exported now, and now our API secret key as well as API ID has been successfully integrated to our environment. All right, let's go back over here, and instead of using the official Censys Python tool, we are going to use this customized tool because I found out that this particular tool was a more interesting as well as gave a lot of more options for tweaking our search results and saving the output. All right, so we are just going to quickly git clone this. So for that, just go back to your terminal and we are going to type the command git clone and the particular URL. As you can see, it already exists because I have already downloaded it. So I will just simply go inside and do a ls. And you can see over here, there is a requirements.txt file and census_io.py, which is the Python script. So let us quickly install the requirements file. So for that, I'm going to type sudo pip install -r read the requirements file. I will just quickly give my password and hit enter. And you can see my requirements file has successfully installed. I will just clear the screen. And now you can see this particular file is ready to be run. So let me just run this and type help. And we can see this is running perfectly fine, which means all our requirements has successfully installed. All right. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to search for the targets. So using the SSL search. So we are going to run this particular command wherein Python census_io.py is the script that we are going to run. As we are onto the free API or the free account, we have to limit our results. So we are going to limit our results to 20, let's say, and we are going to search for the particular domain. So let's say Uber. So let's just go back over here. Let me clear the terminal again. And I'm going to search this with 20 results. I will hit enter. Okay, so just a second. no such file or directory. Let me just run this again. Yeah, so now it is running perfectly fine. Now we are going to just limit it again. So limit to 20, and the search results should be Uber, and hit enter. And let us wait for the output. As you can see, there are total these many search results. Let me just unzoom this so you can see a better output. So as you can see, when we run this particular command, at that time we are getting the output for the particular domains and subdomains where it is matching the certificates is Uber keyword. As you can see, we have these many results, but we have only limited to 20 results. That's why we are able to see the 20 results over here. Now let us see the results and understand how we have got the results. So the first thing is the IP address. The second is the title. We also have the operating system. We have the tags, HTTP, SSH, HTTPS, whatever protocols are running over there. And the main thing is the SSL certificate, which is matching the keyword that we have searched for, which is Uber. As you can see over here, these all SSL certificates are matching Uber ADS system, Uber ADS system. So these are the particular IPs which are running the Uber domains or subdomains. All right. So you can choose any particular IP address which is running the particular Uber domain or subdomain. So let me just copy this IP address and let's go to the browser and enter this particular IP. And you can see there is a default Nginx page which is being just set up and nothing is done over there. And we can see over here as well, the title is welcome to Nginx. So this is how you can identify domains and subdomains. Remember, you will be limited to a particular number of search results that you can see. Okay, you cannot see all the results that we got over here, which are these many results, 19,000 results, 992. You cannot see those results because you are limited on a free API. All right. Now, one more interesting search that we are going to do is, let me just clear the terminal first. We are going to filter the results based on the HTML title, as you can see over here. So let's go back to the terminal. And you can see over here, the HTML title that we are looking for is hacked by, and we are going to limit the results with 20 results, and I will hit enter. So we are going to crawl those particular pages that have been saved into the dataset by Censys, which contains the HTTP title as hacked by. Remember, you can search for anything. No such bucket does not exist, or misconfiguration or default configuration found. You can use those types of keywords as well. Let me just unzoom this so you can see a better output. And you can see these all IP addresses which has the HTTP title as hacked by. Well, let us try to open one of the IP address and let's see what result do we get. It says deceptive site ahead. Let us try to open, and you can see hacked by someone. So basically this IP address, someone has put the shell over there, and because of that, the shell code, it has been hacked. Okay, so this is the way you can identify using the search filters as well. The main motive of showing this was you can search for any particular filter that you want based on the HTTP title, and you will get those desirable results. Also, if you want to use more particular specific results, you can also use that. One interesting thing that I wanted to tell is here, If you do not want to set the environment variable into a computer, into the terminal, you can give your API ID and API key, that is the secret key, in the tool as well. Just whenever you're going to run the tool, just give ---- API ID and the API ID and the secret key. This is optional if no environment is defined. So in case you do not want to define the environment in your Windows machine, let's say, then you can just give both the keys into the tool this way. So I hope you guys understood how you can utilize this particular tool and you can get desirable results. Thank you.